comes on, heat comes on for about 20 minutes and then I have to top it up and then reset it.
E133 is a gas, a lockout fault. That is, that's to do with it not lighting the burner or not sensing the flame, or that's not a low pressure, but it is losing the pressure again still, you say?
Yeah.
I'll sort that.
Do a cup of tea?
So we've got Potterton Promax Combi 28 HEA. It's just basically a Baxi dual take with a different badge. You've got an E133 fault, which is an ignition fault. So common faults on these boilers: electrodes bend, CO2 will be out, usual condensed trap can block up. Important to check your inlet and outlet gas pressures. Customers also complaining that it's losing pressure as well. So first things first, we're just going to check the expansion, take the PRV apart, clean that out, put that back together, test that, and then we'll start looking at the ignition fault. We'll probably whip the electrode out, inspect that, and run it through its service mode, high and low, and see what we can find. As you can see, expansion bezel's flat again. Apparently this has already been recharged. So we'll be checking the Schrader core on this, make sure that's not leaking, make sure the diaphragm's okay. Here we go. Pressure release valves apart. Tell the water quality is not the best in the system. There we go. We'll give all that a clean up. Clean that, put it back in, and we should be good to go. Test the Schrader on the expansion. Lost a little wire brush, so we're improvising. There we go, it's cleaned up nice. Rubber's nice and clean, all the little grooves are clean. That should allow us to get a good seal on that again now. Recharge expansion. A leak detection fluid on there. There we go. That's fine. So just because your expansion vessel pressure is going down doesn't mean it's flat. It's a serviceable part, it should be serviced and recharged every year. Car tyres go down as well. Doesn't mean they're faulty. Conveyor strap's removed and cleaned. That's another part of the ignition sequence that can cause this fault. So a slight bend in the left one. A new electrode fitted. Spark generator's back in place. Expansion's recharged. Another tip which will cause an E133 fault. Grey hose splits at the back. You'll get condensation run back down into the box here, and then the detection lead normally picks that water up. So it's a good idea to leave that down there because that alerts you that there's a problem. So yeah, I'm going to put the door back on now, fire the boiler up, and see where we go with this ignition fault.